Hi, welcome to How to Repair. As you all know, I've got a large camper, and if you're looking for somewhere to stay in Agoudal, this is on the R704, or now known as the N12, and the R704, which takes you up across the mountain passes. We're at an altitude of about 2,600 meters, and I have found a very good place to stay. And I thought I'd just do a quick video for you to show you the facilities here. Very good food, and if I flick the camera around, you've got the main entrance, which is easy to get into. There is a little bit of a ridge as you get to the top, but the camping is very nicely situated, looking out onto the valley, and it's easy accessible. I did find some of the campsites not so easy because the slope into them was very difficult. Main reception area up there, but the camping is based at the back here, and it gives you access to all the shower facilities, and you have toilets and everything laid on for yourself. If you're not staying in the camper, you've got 14 rooms in this hotel to accommodate all the bikers and people that come up over here. Good hot water throughout and modern facilities. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please remember to give it the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, as that's what keeps us going and able to make these videos for you. And if we really help you, remember you can always donate to the website by clicking on the Buy Paul a Beer page. Thanks very much indeed for watching.